Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is a FXR style fairing for a Dyna or an FXR. Okay, fits the Dyna FXR 39mm and 41mm forks. Possibly fits Sportster as well, but officially FXR and Dyna. As you can see, very nice, beautiful looking fairing available with clear here. This is obviously tinted. This is your headlight protector like the real FXR fairing you had. As you can see, quite a sleek, stylish shape. Okay, great thing about this is the mountings. This isn't your normal budget fairing. You feel the weight of this thing. Solid steel brackets. Okay, here's your windshield, obviously comes in and out. You've got rubber around the headlight, stop any glare, which you can get a problem with. And as you can see, these brackets, very cool, very well made, real thick steel. Now this will bolt onto the Harley mounting kit. So if you've got a 39mm Harley mounting kit, this system will work with it. You don't actually need to buy anything else. So if you've got a quick release kit already on your Dyna or your FXR, this will work. Okay, the part numbers are displayed on an advert. But as you can see, very beautiful looking thing, very well made. Not the usual cheap shit. As you can see, the metal, that's like, well, got to be an 1/8 at least. And very well finished, doesn't even need painting. I'd say that is a proper, like a proper sprayed finish. Okay, so if you're interested in the FXR bits or Dyna or club style as they call it nowadays, give us a call. 01773 835 customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu when we can get the thing going. Thank you.